Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh, and in this video we'll be talking about how you can get tested yourself at home for COVID-19 without any external help, and that too in just 2 minutes. Now, a lot of people are symptomatic and because of weather conditions and all other factors, but they're still apprehensive about going to a hospital during a pandemic. And even if they go there, the test results take around 2-3 days, so they can't really wait for that long. But there is a solution to this now, and that is a home test kit for COVID-19. This was first introduced in US last November, and now it is available in India as well across all medical stores. Now, this is the kit that I'm talking about, which is available in India. This is MyLab's COVID Self Kit, which is a rapid antigen test kit, and it is different from RT-PCR. It might not be as reliable, the test result might not be as reliable, but it is a very good indicator in case you are symptomatic and you actually want to confirm whether your symptoms are related to COVID-19. This is available for rupees 250 across medical stores, and this gives you result, like I said, in just 15 minutes, whereas an antigen test in a lab can cost you anywhere between rupees 300 to 900 rupees. Now, before we start seeing how this exactly works, how you can actually test yourself, let's take a look at the contents of the kit. Now, when I open the kit, the first thing that I come across is the nasal swab. Now, this is basically a strand pretty similar to what you see in testing centers as well. This basically has a plastic swab, and this has two ends to it. One is the plastic end. You need to be extremely careful that when you open this particular packet, it has to be opened from the plastic end so that you do not really touch the cotton end, which will be going inside your nose, so that it is not contaminated during testing. So this is the nasal swab that you get. Apart from that, you get an extraction tube as well. So this extraction tube basically has some sort of a solution, a buffer solution inside it, and this swab stick which is there, it has to be inserted inside, and then you have to mix it well to make sure that it is completely the sample collected from your nose is mixed inside the solution, and then this cap has to be closed on top of this particular tube, which again goes into a test card. Now, let me show you the test card. This is the test card which is available. This has multiple components to it. First one is the place where you collect the sample. This is where you drop a couple of drops of sample, and apart from that, this is the particular slot where you actually get the test results. Now, there are two slots here, C and T. In case there is a single bar near C, it means that your result is negative. In case there are both bars, there are two bars near C and T, it means that your result is positive. And the next is a QR code, which is something that you need to scan, and you will be able to download your test result as well. Apart from this, the last component that we are looking at is a disposable bag. It is extremely important to make sure that you're not just testing yourself, but you're disposing of all the components carefully. So this is the disposable bag that we're looking at. So everything after you get yourself tested goes inside this and goes inside the bin. So these are all the components now. Before we start testing, however, for COVID-19, it is very important to download the application which is available for this particular kit. Now, you just have to enter the same name, and we tried looking for the application on the Play Store and the App Store. We couldn't find it, and when we went to the website, that is where we actually found a link to the application. You can download the application there. You'll have to enter all your basic details, like like you are seeing in your screenshots right now. So these are the details that you need to enter, and then it gets you started. So without much further ado, let's get started with the test and see if I'm testing positive or negative and how reliable this test exactly is. Make sure your hands are sanitized before you start the test, and remove the nasal swab from the plastic end. Slowly insert it in your nose up to 2 to 4 cm or until resistance. Swirl it around for at least 5 times so that the sample is collected properly. Carry out the same procedure for both the nostrils. Now tap the extraction tube on the ground so that the solution settles down. Now insert the swab into the solution and stir it well so that it mixes well with the solution which is there in the tube. Now break the swab from the breaking point and then leave the residue inside the tube. Seal the tube properly using the cap which is provided along with the tube. Now gently pour 2 drops of the solution on the collection point on the test card. Wait for 15 minutes for your results to show. So it's been 15 minutes since I took the test, and I'm very anxious to find out what the result is, and it's finally here. So for you to get a confirmation, you can actually start the countdown on the app and wait for 15 minutes for your results. And let's take a look at what my result exactly is. So this is what the reading says. So my test result says that there is one bar near C, which means that it is a negative result, and in case there was another bar near T, that would have meant that it is a positive result, and that would have been decisive about me testing positive for COVID-19. So how reliable exactly is this? Well, after 15 minutes, in case you are taking the test, whatever is the result, you need to click a picture of it and upload it on the application that you have downloaded on your smartphones. And I was talking about scenarios. Now there are two scenarios. In case you test positive, then it means that you are definitely positive and your data is directly collected by the government. And in case you tested negative and you still are symptomatic, you still have a lot of symptoms coming in, then you actually have to get an RT-PCR test done, which is much more reliable, and it takes a lot of time to come out. So you need to have that sort of patience to make sure that you get a very confirmatory data about your COVID-19 status. Now this data is directly uploaded to the ICMR portal, and before you leave everything else, it is very important. Now this is the last step, last but not the least, like they say. This is a very important step. You just have to make sure that all the contents are safely disposed of. You put everything in the disposable bag, leaving nothing outside, because this is extremely important to make sure that you are making sure that the contamination does not spread. So once you have all of these things put here, you just have to make sure that everything is left inside, and this has to be put in the dustbin. So this was the COVID-19 home test kit which was there for you to see. Do let us know what you guys think in the comment section below, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thanks a lot for watching.